Welcome to our foundation channel from class 10th. So the chapter number 12 is applications of trigonometry. So the basic skills I'll explain. So real life situations with respect to the heights and distance. So what are the basic problems will come from these applications of trigonometry, how to solve and what's supposed to remember. So the every concept, just one or two examples I'll explain. Remaining you can find out some more questions from the link in description below, the PDF or worksheet. You can practice them. Right? We have three type of questions, especially in these applications. One is to find out the angle. So let me show one question here. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower is root 3 times to its height. So already we learned in trigonometry, no? Just you can take a right angle triangle. Previous topic, previous chapter we learned about trigonometry. Basic ratios we learn in that. Now here is to apply the properties in this. So how to apply the trigonometric ratios in real life situations. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower is root 3 times to its height. Let height be x, then length is root 3 times to x means root 3x. Okay, this find the angle of elevation of the sun. So we can find out the angle of this. Okay, if the angle of elevation equal to angle of depression. So if we take this, so this angle you have to find out. Even if you take the straight line, these both are same. Angle of elevation, angle of depression are same. So this angle we should find out. Now trigonometric ratios we studied, no? Opposite and adjacent. Angle is here. Opposite is given x, adjacent is root 3x. So opposite and adjacent related formula is tan theta. So tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is x, adjacent is root 3x. We can cancel this x and x. So 1 by root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. But in this tan table, tan of 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. So therefore, angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. So this is the basic problems. First case, the first skill you need to remember. I'm giving the table here. You observe this table is compulsory to remember the values. So shortcut tricks of to learn this table. I'm giving some other links also. So main thing is 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90 of the sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine, if you remember, from right side to left, if you write, cos will come. Sine by cos is tan. And sine, cos, tan are reciprocal of cosec, sec, cot. Okay, that you know it. From this table, you can find out the angle. Okay, this table you should learn. You should remember. At the same time, this is one of the basic skill to find out the angle. Next one. Okay, one more question. Another type is if they find out particular side. Like the angle of elevation of top of the tower at distance of 120 meters. Distance is 120 meters. From its foot on a horizontal plane is found to be 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Height of the tower let be h. So according to the given statement, you are supposed to draw the diagram. Then you can observe what trigonometric ratio you can apply. 30 degrees is here. Opposite we have to find out. Adjacent is given. Opposite adjacent related formula is tan theta. So tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent. So in this question, tan 30 is equals to opposite is h, adjacent is 120. Right? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 120. Do the cross multiplication. H into root 3 is equals to 120. Then h is equals to 120 by root 3. 120 divided by root 3 you can rationalize denominator. H is equals to 120 by root 3, right? Root 3 by root 3 multiply and divide. Then 120 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into 3 is 3. So 3 times 4. So 40 root 3. That is 40 into 1.732 root 3 value. We can multiply, you'll get 40 into 1.732. Approximately 69.28. So this is in meters. Height of the tower. So only single triangle is given. Any one side is given and one of the angle is given. Other sides we can find out. Okay, this skill we should be prepared for the next. Next, so first one is to find out the angle. Second case is to find out particular side. Then one more case in this trigonometry is when they will give combination of the triangle. Okay, this is one of the question we can see. Length of the shadow of a vertical tower on a level ground increased 10 meters when altitude of the sun changes from 45 to 30. So from 45 to 30 is changed by making 10 meters, increased by 10 meters. Now calculate the height of the tower. Height we should find out. So when two triangles combination means two right angle triangles, one is ABC, one is ABD. Okay, let it be X it is. BC is X, AB is H. Now I count the property. Take the triangle. So this is only X, no? First in triangle ABC. So that is tan 45. Opposite is H, adjacent is X. H by X, tan 45 is 1, H by X, then H is equal to X. Okay, let be equation 1. Next, another triangle. So in one more triangle, every time right angle triangle only can take. That is ABD. ACD is not right angle triangle, only ABD again. Triangle ABD. So here is tan 30. Opposite is H, adjacent is X plus 10. Okay, X plus 10 you can apply. Now we need to find out H value. In the place of X also H you can keep, but tan 30 is 1 by root 3. H by, in the place of X, H you can take. H plus 10. Do the cross multiplication. H root 3 is equals to H plus 10. Take H one side, terms one side, minus H is equal to 10. Take H common, root 3 minus 1 is equals to 10. Then H is equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. You can rationalize denominator and solve this type of problems. So root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. 10 into root 3 plus 1. A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. 3 minus 1. So that is 2. 10 by 2 is 5. Finally 5 into root 3 plus 1. Right? 5 into 1.732 plus 1. Just you can simplify. 5 times 2.732. You just simplify. Approximately get 13.66. So this is in meters. So important thing in this is you need to frame two right angle triangles case. So only right angle triangle you have to choose. Apply which is given and what you are supposed to find out. So mostly you can find out the questions like this, applications of trigonometry. So finding the angle with single triangle and finding the angle. So these all including this table you can prepare. So some worksheets I am giving in the link. You can practice them to be perfect in this chapter.